Hello, my name's Martyn English. I'm from the UK. My background is in gear design and gear manufacture. I discovered gears as a very young man at the age of 16 and have been fascinated with them ever since. So I have the pleasure of saying I've never worked for a day in my life. I've only ever played with gears. My background in real work is with Massey Ferguson in the UK. We used to design our own gearboxes, our own gears, and I was also involved in manufacture. I do some work for Dontyne Systems in Newcastle in the northeast of England. Newcastle is really, I would say, is a centre of excellence for gear design and research in the UK. We also have the design units in Newcastle University. Dontyne Systems has developed a software initially for gear design. It started as a calculator for gear rating standards, but Dontyne have developed it in terms of spur and helical gears, have developed some manufacturing simulation. And we've always found that while we have very clever people designing gears, we also have clever people designing cutters. We also have clever people manufacturing the gears with those cutters, but they never seem to speak the same language. So Dontyne have developed some manufacturing simulation that allows for detailed cutter analysis to be done prior to cutter manufacture. So hopefully we find any potential problems long before they arrive. The result, a second company called Dontyne Gears, which is a subcontract transmission design consultancy. Also some small volume manufacture. So again, some of the software has developed towards assisting that manufacture. We look at 5-axis machining on site. I personally, in my work history, have been coming to India for many years, since the late 80s, early 90s. And in parts of the industry, we've seen India leading the world in terms of things like near-net forging of differential gears. It was India that was doing this before a lot of the world. So India has always been prepared to push the boundaries. I think that the level of technology that is both coming into India and coming out of India is impressive these days. So the link with Gear Technology India, I think, can only lead to better things, not only for India, but for the world industry.